Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got a prepper pantry haul video here for you, so let's go over and take a look at it and see what I got and how much I paid for it. All right, so let's start at Winco, and I got 4 loaves of bread. The boys are going to be over here next week, a lot, probably this weekend too. But Eli's also been asking for the English muffin, so I got that. And the prices on these at Winco are $1.39 for the bread and $2.10 for the English muffins. Then at Sam's Club, I got a couple gallons of milk. Danny and Oliver have been drinking a lot more milk when they've been over here. And when Eli sees them drinking it, he wants milk too. And those are $3.66 each. Then I kind of scored in the meat department here with stuff that is 24% off. So there you go. And so it's, say, $4 and cut off the amount there. 46 cents. I can look at it here, I think. Oh, I can't see on that one. This one here is $4.46, it looks like. Yeah, $4.46. Also 24% off. And the hamburger was only 15% off. So it was a little bit cheaper. This is going to go into the crock pot tonight when the electric charge is down lower on the special rate. And so I'll put that into the crock pot with taco seasoning and stuff on it for the boys to gobble up when they come over here instead of eating junk food. And one of these, I'm going to repackage it and freeze it. I'll repackage half of that one and freeze it, and then I'll cook up several of those because I know Danny's going to want part of one when he comes over after school today. All right, so that's what I got there on that, and just reminding you to keep your eyes open for deals like this and get stocked up when you can. All right, okay, take care, and I will see you around in the next video.